Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if YouTube channel is actually monetized. First thing you want to do, let's launch the YouTube app and try to find a channel that we want to check out on. Let's check out this particular channel over here. You want to click on the profile picture, and then when you are at the channel itself, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots in the right corner. Then you want to click share. Then you want to copy the link. Next thing you want to do, you want to go and head to Google Chrome. On Google Chrome, I want you to look for the website that is called isthischannelmonetized.com. When you come over here, you want to scroll down to this particular section where you're going to paste the link that we just copied. Then you want to click check monetization. Well, as you can see over here, according to this particular website, the channel of Andrew Huberman is probably monetized. They're not for sure about it. The channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. As of January 5th, the channel has generated this amount of views and has this amount of subscribers. They give you particular estimation over here that probably can give you an idea, how much in revenue, what is the RPM, what is the CPM, categories, what you can get if you upload particular type of content. So I think this is very interesting. But this is how you actually find out is a particular channel monetized, yes or not. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.